Workers' compensation benefits should cover all of your medical treatment and most of your wage loss. However, nothing is automatic. Oftentimes, you may have to fight for everything that you may deserve. There are many instances of workers who are receiving some, but not all of their benefits. That's an injustice those workers may have been able to avoid if they had all the information. So let's break it down and find out exactly what workers' compensation covers. If you've been injured in a work-related accident, you may be entitled to two types of benefits: medical expenses and wage loss replacement. These benefits may be paid by your employer or by their workers' compensation insurance carrier. Medical benefits generally cover all the medical treatment recommended by your doctor. Unlike health insurance, medical compensation benefits do not require a copay. They can last indefinitely as long as you require ongoing care. However, the workers' compensation insurance company decides which doctor you see, and that doctor likely has a long-term relationship with that insurance company. If you're being pressured to return to work before you feel ready, call us and see how we can help you. Wage loss benefits consist of 2/3 of the average weekly wage that you earned in the year before your injury. How long you can receive these wage loss benefits depends in large part on how long the workers' compensation doctor says that you are physically unable to work because of your injury. You can continue to receive benefits as long as you are unable to work up to a maximum of 500 weeks. So what do you need to do to get these benefits? Workers' compensation is intended to help injured workers. However, the reality is that most insurance companies are for-profit, and they make more money by paying out less. Some may be looking for ways to reduce your benefits or to deny your claim entirely. Additionally, the process itself is complex. There are numerous forms, deadlines, and potential pitfalls that the ordinary worker can easily fall into. And the insurance company knows exactly how to work the system. This is why, if you've been injured, we recommend that you contact a workers' compensation attorney immediately. At the law offices of James Scott Farron, our experienced workers' compensation attorneys are your guides and advocates. We have helped thousands of injured workers. A number of our workers' compensation attorneys used to work for insurance defense firms. So we are well aware of what the insurance company's tactics are and how to counter them. We'll ensure that the workers' compensation carrier has calculated your wages correctly. And we can increase your odds of success at every stage of the workers' compensation claims process. If the insurance company doctor clears you to return to work too quickly, or your employer wants you to return to work in a different job for lower pay, we can fight back for you. Contact us today to get clarity on your case at no cost and no obligation.